Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget. So if you're into that sort of thing, make sure you like the videos, subscribe, and click that bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video. Today I'm going to try to spot clean an ink stain out of this pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton. This is in the Damier Azur pattern. And when I purchased this pre-loved from the RealReal, it was in perfect condition, and it still is, other than this tiny ink stain I got in it right there. So I went online and searched for a few ways to clean that out safely, because I sure don't want to damage the bag. The thing that I found was to use rubbing alcohol with cotton balls, and I also have some Q-tips here for more precision. But before I try that, I wanted to try one other thing. Rather than going straight for the chemicals, I wanted to try this white eraser and just give that a shot and see if it will erase the ink stain out, because it's not that bad. So I'm going to move the camera down onto the bag so you can see what I'm doing, and let's see if either of these techniques work. All right, so the first thing I want to do is try the white eraser on this ink stain here. I've pulled the lining out, and I have the vachetta tucked away. I could take it off, but I don't think I need to do that yet. One thing I'm noticing, and you can see this, is the eraser breaks apart. Here's where we are so far. It looks like the eraser is working. I just need to go at it a little bit longer. All right, I used the eraser on it, and I even moved it around and scrubbed it pretty hard, and I got most of it out, but there's still just the tiniest bit of ink there, and it's pretty stubborn. I feel like it's not coming out at this point. So I am going to try a little bit of the alcohol. I just dipped the Q-tip a little bit in the alcohol, and I'm going to put that on there, and now you can really see the ink stains more. That added some contrast to it. I feel like it came out there. That was pretty easy. I'm going to dip the other end of the Q-tip into the alcohol and dab it on the edge a little bit, and then go over it with the clean end of the Q-tip again. Just to get any residual ink that may still be there. That looks to me like the ink is all gone, so I'm going to let this dry and then we'll see how it looks. Well, I let it dry for about 5 minutes, and that's what it looks like. It looks like the ink is completely gone. It looks like the alcohol did not damage the cloth at all, the canvas on the inside. So I'm very happy. Finally, a cleaning video from me where everything worked. It's amazing.